I bend down to stretch every morning. I am bending the wire into shape right now. I have just bent the rules to help a friend. I have been bending metal at the workshop for months. I bent the spoon by accident yesterday. I was bending over to tie my shoe when my back cracked. I had bent the antenna back before the game started. I had been bending down to pick weeds for hours before my back gave out. I will bend the pipe into a curve tomorrow. I will be bending rebar on the site all morning. I will have bent 100 rods by the end of the shift. By June, I will have been bending glass tubes for this lab for 2 years.